What's up, big birds? You ever wonder what your nerve looks like at a microscopic level? Let's take a look. Your nerve is really just a collection of axons, the long cytoplasmic extension of a neuron. So the nerve is a collection of axons. The nerve itself is surrounded by a layer of connective tissue, which is known as the epineurium. So whole nerve surrounded by a layer of connective tissue known as the epineurium. Now, inside of the nerve, there's a grouping or a bundle of axons, a whole bundle of multiple axons, which we call a fascicle. So this is a fascicle here. So if we look down here at the histology of it, this is a nerve here, this is a fascicle, and this is a fascicle over here. And each fascicle is surrounded by a layer of connective tissue called the perineurium. So whole nerve surrounded by the epineurium, made up of fascicles, and each fascicle is surrounded by the perineurium. So here we can see a fascicle, and this is the perineurium here. Now, the fascicle is made up of multiple axons. Those are the cytoplasmic extensions. And each cell is surrounded by a layer of connective tissue, which is known as the endoneurium. So this is an axon here, and it'll be surrounded by an endoneurium. If we look down here, each one of these small little round structures, that's an axon, and it's going to be surrounded by the endoneurium. So here we have the fascicle, which is surrounded by the perineurium, each axon surrounded by the endoneurium. So you have axon surrounded by the endoneurium, making up the fascicle, which is surrounded by the perineurium, and then multiple fascicles make up the nerve, which is surrounded by the epineurium. So this is a fascicle here, this is a fascicle here, this whole structure here is the neuron. This is going to be the epineurium here. And then here we have a singular fascicle, and then each one of these in here is going to be the axon. Now you know. Later.